Hello guys, welcome to our channel Foodaholic, and today on our channel we are back with a new recipe, red velvet cookies. So let's get into the video. So to make red velvet cookies, I'll add all-purpose flour, which is maida, half bowl of cocoa powder, and half tablespoon of baking soda. Now we'll mix it. Now in another bowl, we'll add melted butter, castor sugar, red food coloring, and vanilla essence. Now we'll mix it. Now we'll mix both the material. And we'll mix it. Now we'll add lemon juice to our milk and mix it. You can also add white vinegar. And then now we'll add our milk to the mixture and mix it. So now our mixture is prepared. Now we will keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes. I have taken a tray and I placed a butter paper on it. Now I'll place my mixture on it and we'll bake it. Now we'll preheat our microwave for 15 seconds. Now we'll keep our cookies in the microwave and bake it for 40 seconds. Now we'll add some white chocolate on our cookies and we'll bake it again for 20 seconds. So now our red velvet cookies are ready. So hope you like our video, and if you really like our video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.